Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to unmute someone on Discord. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now select your channel or your friend. Now click on your friend's profile picture. Here you can see the option of mute. You have to press on this. Press on unmute. That's it. So this is how to unmute someone on Discord. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.